Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And also remember to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, so it will really give me more motivation to share with you guys more unboxing videos. Okay, today you can see from the heading, I'm doing an so-called sharing with you the collection of Goyard collection, the whole Goyard collection that I got it. Yeah. Okay. Basically, as I mentioned in my last video, that I got a whole collection of clutch, clutch. Also the so-called like the pouch. Yeah, I have a whole collection, and I mentioned to you guys that I will share with you the whole collection that I got. And today I'm sharing with you is the Goyard collection, which I got it quite some time ago. As you can see, the packaging is a bit different because this is in dark brown. Dark brown, chocolate brown. Yeah. Now I think they have changed the new packaging to green, also as well as yellow. Yeah. Okay. Because today I'm wearing this Balmain sweater. As you can see, if you yet to see my last video, remember to go back to my channel and watch my last unboxing, the huge haul unboxing video which I got from Farfetch, and this is one of it. And today I'm wearing this one is also Versus track pants by Versace. Yes. Okay. Without further ado, let's start with today so-called unboxing, because as I mentioned this already, I got some time ago, but just wanted to share with you guys the item that I got it. Yeah. Actually for this, you can see this logo. Actually, this one is so-called it's a Goyard logo. You can see that it's actually G, then followed by O, and followed by a Y in the center, and ARD. I'm not sure whether you guys can see. Later I shall show to you guys nearer. Yeah, this is the so-called the logo. And actually maybe I should share with you some fact about Goyard. Goyard actually is like they have been around for many years already, long time ago. It's much more, from what I know, they are even much more earlier than Louis Vuitton. Yeah, it's much more earlier than them. And also another brand which from what I heard, they are competitor as well as because they are quite similar. Lepage and also Lepage and Goyard, so-called they are quite similar. And also there is some law case between the two companies. Yeah. And I shall not go into it. Yeah, because it's not going to take a long time for this video. Okay, so let's start with today's unboxing. Okay, so you guys can see this one is the actually all the Goyard, I think each of the item they will come with a box with it. So today I got 4 of them. Okay, so I shall share with you the first one first. Okay, and later I'll share with you the back also. Okay, on the back where I got it previously. Okay, so the first it come with this so-called like it doesn't come with a dust bag, but it's something, just a orange cloth that cover the so-called the item. Yeah, so this is how it look like. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the first item that I got is okay, this is so-called like a card holder. card holder. Okay, later I show you guys nearer. Okay, so this one, you can see this one. This is the front part. I guess this is the front part with the logo here. Then the back isn't any logo on it. So this is the black in color. Okay, so some fact about Goyard is that the basic color like the black, and also the other item later I show you is like something like a black with tan lining. These are all the basic color. So and it's so-called cheaper than their special color. So their special color is like there's a whole range of it. Like from what I know, it's like there's yellow, there's green, blue, also white, maroon color, etc. But if you guys are interested in other color, you can check out their website or you can go to their store to check it out. So basically, this one is a black in color. What I quite like about Goyard is because from what I heard is that all this is so-called like hand painted. Each of them is all hand painted and it's canvas. But this part of the lining, this is so-called like the calf leather. Yeah. So for this card holder, that is like you can let me see. You can actually there is a 5 pocket, so-called internal pocket here, 5 pocket here. So you can see the front part. Actually, the front part is where I say the logo here. There is 1, 2. Later I show you guys nearer. And on the back, there is also two pocket here. And there is an embossed Goyard here that written made in France on this side. And also at the center where you can see the orange color, another pocket here. Okay, so basically this is quite new and I really seldom use it actually. So maybe I shall show you nearer. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the second item. Okay. As I mentioned, you can see this come with this so-called the cloth protecting the goods. And normally it will come with, I think this is also come with a label here. It's in paper form written Goyard. Okay, so this is the second card holder here. It's so-called like card holder with to me it's a card holder, but you can put some notes in it too because there is a column here. It's also orange this part and this part is black in color. And and actually pocket inside there is like 6. So that means on one side, this is a bifolded, so there is 3, you can put 3 cards here, and also 3 cards here, and also you can put it on this side also, which also one part is orange, and the other part here, So, but this color, I forget to mention, this color is blue in color, so this is a special color, So this part, for here there's also same, the Goyard is written here, and this part there isn't anything. So yes, so this is the blue color. Later I should show you all nearer. And also at the same time I should show you the box also, which in case you guys can't see. Okay. So this is the blue. And this is the black. Okay, so it's quite similar, but you guys can see it nearer. Can you all see it? The color is different. Okay, and this is the box, which I say the logo Goyard is all inside the G, the big G. Okay. Okay. Okay, the next item, as I mentioned, I got number of cards. This is another one. Yeah, so it's also come with the box also. Yeah, this item is quite special. Okay, so this item I got it is in Taipei, but from what I know, in Taiwan, that they do not have the store anymore. They closed it already. Previously, is inside the Regent Hotel. So from this item, I got it in Taipei, and you can see it's so. I still keep the bag. It's something very different. So you can see the address, Goyard, and also the Taipei. Here they written here. Yeah, Taipei. Yeah. Okay. So this is from Taipei. So to me, this is like quite memorable because they do not have the boutique there anymore. Okay. So let's start with this. Okay, it's also same as I mentioned. It also come with this cloth with protecting. Okay. So as I mentioned to you, there are different color. So this one, as I mentioned, this is also is like black, and this is like you can see the lining besides tan in color, brown color. So yeah, this is same as this. Yeah, actually I got this item is just because I want to match with this, so I can carry together and put this card holder inside this because both are black in color. Yeah. So basically, it's come with a zip also. Okay. So inside there's some stuff you can see I already use it. So it's so same. The inside is actually there's nothing much. Also, there's only a small pocket here. Can you guys see? Yeah, this pocket which is calf leather, only just a small pocket to put cards. So that's why I got this card holder because you can't put all the card here, so I just put here and put it inside. Usually, yeah, if I carry with some card, because I don't want it to be too thick, so this is just nice to fit it in. Okay, so basically you can see it's just very simple. It's just orange internal with a small pocket here. Okay, so this is the lining. So maybe I show you guys nearer so you guys can see. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the last item. You can see it's a huge box here. This one is much more bigger. Yeah, okay. So, because I got this smaller size pouch, but this one I would say you can't put much, but it's good enough if you just put some keys, also card holder and wallet, etc. But if you want put big item, it's difficult because it's smaller than the A4 size. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, you guys can see this is much more bigger, and this one is in special color, which is the blue, which is also same as this card holder. So it's the same reason I got this large clutch and I got this small card holder is to match with this clutch. Yeah, so you can see both is blue in color. The other one too is black. So this is much more bigger. You can see it's much more bigger than A4. If you compare this one to this one, you can see the huge difference. Yeah. So of course the bigger one is much more expensive. Also depend on the color. But so if you want a bigger one, this one will be quite nice because it's quite big enough to put a lot of items. Okay. So the inside is also the same. So this one you can see it's also it's just come with one pocket which is also in calf leather, and the calf leather is in blue. So the other one is in beige color, so called no beige, is brown, tan color. So it's same as this lining. So for this one, it will become with the blue one because this is a blue. Yeah, so it's also this can see you can put quite a number of items inside. Yeah, so this one is the last clutch that I got. So okay, and I should show you guys nearer. Okay, hope you guys enjoy my video. As I mentioned that I'm sharing with you guys that all these items that I got previously. So remember, if you like my video, remember to subscribe, click the subscribe button, as well as also click the notification bell and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Yeah, thank you. Hope to see you guys again. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.